In this question, we are supposed to find the density of the liquid. That's what we are supposed to find. And it says a measuring cylinder of cross-sectional area 4 centimeter square. It contains 224 centimeter cube of liquid. So this is the volume. So you have been given area, you have been given volume. The pressure of the liquid at the base of the measuring cylinder due to the liquid is 8,800 pascals. And now we are being tasked to find the density of the liquid. So we start by noting the formula for pressure in liquid, which is pressure in liquid is equal to the density of the liquid times gravity times the depth, which is height. So that's the formula. So if that's the case, and the question is about density, it means when I make density the subject, I have my density equal to the pressure of the liquid over the gravity times the depth of the liquid. Okay, so we can see that we know that our gravity, which is going to be 10. Now, we have also been given the pressure, which is 8,800, but we don't know our height or the depth. So we need to use the area and the volume to be able to find the depth or the height. Okay, so you can also agree with me that volume is equal to the cross-sectional area times the height or the length. So therefore, so the length will be the height. So let me make it h. So therefore, we can agree that h will be equal to the volume over the cross-sectional area. So therefore, we have h to be equal to 224 over 4. And the depth will be equal to 56 centimeters. But if you check the unit of the answer that we are expecting, you can see that they are all in terms of, this is meter cube, which means that the height we are going to use in our calculation must also be in meters. So always keep note of the correct unit to use. Very, very, very important. So which means our height will now, or the depth is now equal to 0.56 meters. So since we have other parameters, we can slot them into our equation here. So it means our density is now equal to our pressure, which is 8,800 over our gravity, which is 10, times our depth, which is 0.56. So our density is equal to 1,571.4. If you round it to 2SF, we're going to get our density to be equal to 1,600 kilogram per meter cube. So therefore, our answer is C.